Now we are going to learn active voice to passive voice according to present continuous tense, interrogative model, yes or no type questions. See, example 1, are you asking a book? Are you asking a book? See, here one code is there. First of all, analysis. Helping verb, subject, main verb, object. What is helping verb? Are. Sometimes is or am. Then after subject, before object. See, once compare here. Are, any one of the helping verbs. Are is there. Subject you. Before means asking. Object means a book. Now passive structure. Is, am, are. Object being V3 preposition by subject. See again here, analysis to find tense. To find tense means either is, am, are. Sometimes are will be there. Subject before object, that refers to present continuous tense. To find kinds of sentence. Start with helping verb, ends with the question mark. This is interrogative sentence. And A for apply. A for apply means is, am, are. Object being V3 preposition by subject. Now we are going to write answer. Object should be written straight to the subject. A book. A book suitable helping verb is. Book refers to it. It takes is. Is should be written straight to the helping verb. Now answer. Is a book. Is a book. One of the helping verbs which is suitable we have written is. Here object, what is that? A book. So next one is being. Being. Verb form 3. Asking verb form 3 is asked. Preposition is by. You should be written here. Finally question mark. Finally question mark. Second one. A mango. A mango. Suitable helping verb is. Is a mango. Being. Being. Eating, third form is eaten. Eaten by, preposition is by. Is changes as him. Now question mark. Active voice to passive voice. What they have in the question, punctuation mark. In the answer also same. Same question mark or punctuation mark. See, here is a book. A book suitable helping verb is a book being. Giving, third form is given. Given by. I changes as me. Now question mark. These are the answers. Once here. Is, am, are. Subject before object. Is, am, are. Object being V3 preposition by subject. Now we are going to learn active voice to passive voice, interrogative model, yes or no type questions. See, was he reading books? Was he reading books? This is the question. We should remind that analysis to find tense, to find kinds of sentence, apply. Analysis means helping verb, subject, verb form 4, object. Beginning with was. Beginning with was. Subject, what is there? He. V4 means reading. Object, books. sometimes verb will be appeared. Now, to find tense, either was or were, subject before object refers to past continuous tense. And to find continuous tense, find kinds of sentence, start with helping verb, ends with question mark. This is the interrogative model. And A for apply means this one, passive structure. Either was or were, object being V3, preposition by subject. Now answers. Were books being read by him. Question mark compulsory because it is interrogative model. And second one, object should be written straight through to the subject. Him changes as he. Is suitable helping verb is was. He was. So that was he being helped by. They changes as them. Question mark. Last one, your object a book should be written straight to the subject. A book suitable helping verb is was a book being. Studying, third form studied. Preposition is by. She changes as her. This is the answer. Once listen. Active structure was or were, subject before object. Passive structure was or were, object being verb form 3, preposition by subject.